Nestled within the serene expanse of the Adirondacks, the Indian Lake House by PJCArchitecture offers a retreat as lyrical as the lives of its owners, retired opera performers. Crafted as a 1,910 square foot, 3-story haven with 2 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, the home also includes a charming 158 square foot boathouse with a 3rd bedroom. The design reflects a meticulous harmony between art, architecture, and nature, capturing the couple's vision of a residence that engages its surroundings while providing ample space for entertainment. Inside, the 3rd level welcomes visitors into an airy living space illuminated by floor-to-ceiling windows. Cathedral ceilings accentuate the openness, while powder blue kitchen cabinets and white shiplap walls imbue the space with cottage-like warmth. Descending the skylit stairs, the primary bedroom offers a tranquil retreat, complete with a screened terrace blending indoor and outdoor living. On the lowest level, a guest suite opens to the lake, connecting the home's interior to the natural expanse. Together, the Indian Lake House stands as an architectural area, celebrating form, function, and the sublime beauty of its setting. Drawing inspiration from their artistic sensibilities, the homeowners presented 2 distinct aesthetics. One favored the clean, minimal lines of a Japanese tea house, while the other yearned for the cozy charm of On Golden Pond. PJCArchitecture skillfully merged these concepts, blending simplicity with intricate details. The home's exterior features Shou Sugi Ban, a sustainable charred wood siding that echoes the couple's travels to Japan. This material not only lends a modern edge, but also seamlessly integrates the home with the rugged beauty of the Adirondacks. The site's steep, tree-lined slope posed design challenges, but these became opportunities for innovation. Zoning constraints necessitated a vertical layout, resulting in a 3-story form that varies dramatically depending on the approach. From the driveway, the home appears as a modest, single-level structure. Crossing the bridge to the entrance reveals its vertical depth, while the lakeside view presents a striking, tree-like form, culminating in a southeast corner with a glass and wood cube offering panoramic lake views.